Alright guys, this is my tuning laptop here. It's a Panasonic Toughbook. It's a CF-53, just an upgraded SSD, nothing crazy. Believe it or not, my customers actually bought this for me years ago. They all pitched in a couple bucks. I kept breaking tuning laptops. I think there was one year that I had one stolen, and then I also had one just completely broken. Like, it had rattled off a car while I was tuning it, and it broke. So they finally put some money together, and they ended up getting me this Toughbook. So I'm super duper excited about it. As you can see, as I'm still using it, it's been through its paces here. Space bar is completely broken. Yeah, so definitely needs an update. So I got myself a new keyboard. So this keyboard here is not backlit, but this new one is. So it's supposed to just bolt on, so we'll figure that out here in a sec. So I got the keyboard off. There's several videos on how to do that, so I'm not going to go over that. But so the main difference here is that this one only has 2 ribbon cables. When I removed it, it opened up a 3rd slot here for a ribbon cable. On the new keyboard, because it's lit, if you can see that there's the 3rd ribbon cable there. So we're going to get that all put on and installed here in a second. So before, I've got it all hooked up here. I haven't put it all the way together, but what we're going to do is we're going to test this to make sure it works. So it seems like it's all working here. Let's see if we can open command prompt here. Press keys, and all that's working. Most importantly, the spacebar is back. Yay! So yeah, all that seems to work. We'll shut the computer back off, go ahead and put it all back together, and then we should be ready to rock. Okay, so we got the keyboard hooked up. It's probably going to be hard to see on camera, but we're going to see if we can turn on this light keyboard. There's 4 different light settings. So that's off, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then off. So pretty cool. It's not super bright. Like, the camera actually makes it a lot brighter than it looks, but it's gonna be great, you know, if you're sitting in a car messing with a tune, and, you know, having hotkeys is always awesome. So super glad, definitely worth the $30 upgrade.